Windows has a search feature. We're going to discuss how to open, save, and upload attachments in Microsoft Outlook. So I've received an email with a graphic attachment. Outlook gives us a couple different options. With graphics, if you click on it, it will give you a preview, but it only does that with graphics. We have two different options. You can right-click, and it gives you several different. You can right-click, and a drop-down menu will appear with Preview, Open, Print, Save As, Copy, and Select All. In most cases, you're going to want to save as. If you double-click on it, a similar set of options will come up. Sometimes you'll just want to open a file, but if you do that, it's going to store it's not going to save the document on your hard drive. If you need to keep the file, I recommend saving it. So we're going to click on Save. And I'm going to choose to store this. By default, it opens up my Documents folder, and I'm going to go to the Graphics file. By default, it's going to assume that you want to save the file in the Documents folder, and that's okay with me. So I'm going to click Save. If I want to go back to the original email, just click on Message. Now I'm going to minimize Outlook and go to My Documents, and here you'll see the file. But say I want to email an attachment to somebody else. Open up Outlook and create a new message. Click on the Attach File icon, and again it's bringing up my Documents folder. I want to attach a Word file, so I'm going to go into this folder and click on the file I want to attach. If you want to attach more than one, you can drag your mouse cursor and select multiple and click Insert. Here you'll see it's attached the files. Now I just have to fill out my email and send it on to my friend. So what happens if you lose a file? Well, go to the Start menu, and you can enter a search term right here where it says Start Search. So I know I had a file called Logo, but I can't find it. So I'm going to type in Logo. And lucky me, it's found my Logo files. So if I click on that, it's going to open the file. Another way to find files is to open any folder. So I'm going to open my Documents folder. You'll notice that on the top right-hand side of all file folders, there will be a search box. So I'm going to type in Logo again. And here's the file. Now I can open the file, but if you're really curious as to where it was hidden, here's the trick. Right-click on the file, and you can click on Open File Location. What that's going to do is it's going to open the folder which is housing that file, and you can see the address up here. Now you can move it to another folder if you want to, or remember where you stored the file.